So now let's publish the video. Okay, so to do that, just go to youtube.com and just go to your YouTube creator area. Okay, let me just go to YouTube studio. Okay, so this is just a dummy channel I have. Okay, so now we will just going to upload the content. Okay, so just click on this upload, click on select file, and here on this tab you just need to put that yoga video over here. That's great. And now you just need to put the title. So we have just put the title. Okay, so I will just copy this title, just put the title over here, and then we have got everything. Okay, so we have got the title. Now we have to just copy the YouTube description like this. Right click and copy the YouTube description. Just go here and right click and paste it. That's it. Okay, and then after you will going to do this, here you have to make sure that whatever you have on your text, just select that, right click and copy that, go here, and you can even upload the thumbnail as well. Select on upload thumbnail. Okay, so it will going to ask you to verify your mobile number, but you just need to upload your thumbnail from here. Okay, which we have just told you how to do that. Okay, how to create the thumbnail using Canva. You just need to upload that, and then from the show more you will see this tag option. From here just right click and paste all the text which the tool has generated us. Okay, and after you will do that, just click on the next button, check visibility, and then you can just publish your video, and then just click on this save button. Okay, and in this way you can just publish your video on YouTube. Very simple. Okay, hey guys, before we end this lecture, I just want to tell you about my website I have created for you guys. Okay, that is Cuckoo Courses. So just search for Cuckoo Courses, go to our website, and then you will going to find plenty of amazing courses we have on our website. Okay, so you can see these are all the courses, and you will also going to get 1 lakh, or I can say 150,000 e-commerce assets, as well as including premium softwares like Adobe. Okay, and you will going to get all of them pre-activated. You can explore more of them over here. Okay, and the best thing is that our courses tab. Okay, so inside the courses tab you will going to get all our free courses as well as paid courses. So if you want to learn about, let's say, Canva, okay, so you can just see we have Canva 9 hours courses as well as free courses to get even more idea about that. Okay, also if you will going to see here, we have more ChatGPT related courses as well. Okay, so just search for ChatGPT and explore all these courses. Okay, ChatGPT for SEO. Okay, and ChatGPT Masterclass. Okay, you can create your own ChatGPT with WordPress and Elementor. So we have plenty of courses in our website, and you can see all these categories where we work on, and these are all the categories for which we create our courses. Okay, so you can just search all of them, and also you can explore the free courses we have. Okay, over here, which you can also enjoy it. Okay, and we will going to add more and more of them in coming future. Okay, so when you will going to see here, so at that time there will be a lots of courses that will be added to the website. Okay, so make sure you guys just explore it. Okay, and one more thing, you can just go to this sign up button. Okay, you can just set your username, email, first name, last name, password if you guys are interested, and you can always apply this 50 discount. Okay, and you can even purchase a lifetime plan. So just paste it over here, apply it, and just for $49 you can just register for the membership, and you can access all the premium content, including 150,000 assets as well as courses for lifetime, and you will also going to get free access to monthly new paid courses as well. So complete knowledgeable website. If you guys are interested, you can even explore it. Okay,